We start the animation when the exhaust gases leave the cylinders. Up to 25% of the gases can pass the EGR circuit where they go through the EGR cooler, get mixed with fresh air in the intake manifold before they enter the cylinders again. The other part of the exhaust gases pass through the turbo and enter the after-treatment system. First, they go through the oxycat and the filter. Turn 180 degrees to enter the AdBlue mixer. Turn again and go through the two SCR catalysts before leaving the silencer fresh and clean.